I will talk about how can you use Glovo on your app. So all you have to do, you just click on your Glovo app here. So when you click on your Glovo, it's going to show for you like this. So to create your app, you just click here on Google, or can you add your phone number? I'm going to click here on Google to add my email. So when you add your email, it's going automatically to open with you. So then here I'm going to add my here email. When you add it, it's going to open with me like this. So like you see now, you create your app. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on your profile, then it's going to show for you like this. In here to manage your profile, just click on it. Here if you want to add friends, so just click here on data and privacy. So I'm going to skip this page because so when I'm going to skip it, here can you found your order. Just click on orders. You found here all orders you have here. It's going to show for you like this. And here you click here on accounts. Here can you manage your name. And here your email. Here can you change your password, change your phone number. Here can you add your payment methods in this list. If you had your payment, you add it here, or here can you add new card. So then here can you, so it's not so it's not important. So I'm going to back now, and here can you get your Glovo print in this list. You just click on subscribe now, then it's going to subscribe with you to get free delivered. So then here if you want to add your promo code, if you have any promo code, can you add it here. So in here can you share and earn. You just share this code with your friends, then you earn money on your app. So then when we will go back here, and here we will go down. You click here until you found here language, click on it, and here can you change your language in this list. We found all language. Here can you select it. Then we will go back now. So and here can you manage your notifications. Here if you want to disable it, you just click on turn off. You enable it, click here, then it's going to enable with you. Here this notifications for order updates, and this notification here for offers. So can you manage it here. So that's all for here notifications. And here if you want to delete your account in data, just click on it here. Then here add your inquiry here or your reason. Then you click on send requests. Then it's going to delete with you here automatically. So in down here can you log out from your account. Here can you add your card. So can you find your card here. I have nothing in my card now, it's empty. But if you add any order, can you find it on your cards here. When you click on home, it's going to take you to this list. Here can you select food. I'm going to select food for example. Then I'm click here on food. Then I'm going to deliver it here, or I'm going to get this order here. I'm going to click on this for example. So then I'm going to select here any of this food. Like I'm going to get this Big Mac here. I'm just click on it. And I'm just click here on add one for this price. Then when you click here on view cart, then it's going to show for you if you want to select any of this. I'm going to click here on continue here. So then it's going to take you. When you just click here on go to check out here, then automatically here it's you will get this here order on your Glovo app. So I don't have to get this. So it's just for example, but if you had to get your order, you just click here on go to check out here, then it's going to add with you here. So then I'm going to back here. I will back here, and here can you select if you want to just found here close for you, or snacks close for you here. Can you search in food here? Can you search for any food you want? I add my order in my cart like you see here, but if you want to here, if you want to delete it, just click on it here, then you click here on yes remove, then it's going to delete with you here. So to if you want to solve or fix any problem you have on your Glovo app, so all you have to do, so I'm going to show for you how to solve and fix any problem you have on your Glovo app. You just looking for your settings, you click for your settings here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just go down. So until you will find apps, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you're looking for your Glovo app, or just click on search. Then here add Glovo app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this, click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down until you will find storage, click on it. You click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do now, you just go to your Play Store. Sorry. You go to your Play Store. Click here on your Play Store here. You click on your Play Store. So I have here. So when you click here on your Play Store, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click on search. So then here add your Glovo app. I'm going to add here Glovo app. It's going to show for you here, click on it. Then it's going to show for you like this. You just click here on Glovo here. You click on Glovo. Then it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. When you just click on update here, then you just wait into your updates finish or down, then automatically when you go to your Glovo, that you will find all problems, or your problems is solved and fixed on your Glovo app. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.